So, which of these phases would you say was the longest in your implementation? If you could just talk maybe a little bit more about
Yeah,
that.
so I think the monitor and iterate phase took takes a little bit of time because you have so many different users interacting with your agents that you need to understand why is it taking certain actions and going down a certain route. Why is it interpreting it the way it needs to it is doing? And you learn lessons learned like that. So that monitor and iterative phase is extremely important. Now, in a perfect world scenario, that iterative phase goes away, right? You got it right the first time. But the reality is, right, regardless of whether it's agentic AI or traditional delivery, you learn things or things that are unexpected come along the way. So I think that monitoring and that there takes a lot of time. But when it now I'm speaking specifically when the data is cleansed and within the CRM. Now, when you're leveraging data cloud or other sources of data, that's where a lot of time comes into play because identifying the right source of data, that takes quite a bit of time to ensure that you're bringing in the right data, that it's the permissions are correct and what the agent should access are correct from a security perspective, but that's where some additional time will get taken. So that's why those like smaller use cases up front and then sprinkling them throughout buys you some time for your data teams, your integration teams, in order to get the bandwidth to get you the foundation you need to deliver your use case.